What if ancient wisdom and modern science were telling us the same story, but in different languages? Imagine a world where the knowledge of our ancestors and the discoveries of today's scientists converge to reveal a unified understanding of the universe. In Hindu philosophy, Rashmi Theory describes the universe as being made of vibrational energy rays, a concept that has been passed down through generations in ancient Indian manuscripts. These texts speak of a cosmic energy that permeates everything, connecting all forms of life and matter. On the other hand, modern string theory and physics suggests that everything in the universe arises from the vibration of tiny strings. These strings, though incredibly small, are the fundamental building blocks of all matter and energy. They vibrate at different frequencies, giving rise to the diverse particles and forces we observe. Could these two ideas be connected? Is it possible that the ancient sages and modern physicists are describing the same underlying reality, but through different lenses? The idea that these two seemingly disparate theories could be intertwined is both intriguing and profound. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating parallels between Rashmi Theory and string theory, where science meets spirituality. We'll delve into the depths of these concepts, examining how they align and where they diverge. Join us on this journey as we uncover the mysteries of the universe, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. Prepare to be amazed by the connections that span across time and space, revealing a tapestry of knowledge that is both timeless and ever-evolving. Let's start with Rashmi Theory. This ancient concept, rooted deeply in Indian philosophy and spiritual traditions, offers a fascinating perspective on the nature of the universe and the fundamental forces that govern it. The word Rashmi in Sanskrit means ray, beam, or energy flow. It is a term that has been used for centuries to describe the unseen forces that permeate the cosmos, connecting all forms of matter and energy in a delicate, intricate web. Some interpretations suggest that the universe is made up of subtle energy rays, Rashmis, which flow through everything. These rays are thought to be the building blocks of reality, influencing the physical and metaphysical aspects of existence. These energy rays are in constant vibration, shaping reality. The vibrations of Rashmi rays are believed to create and sustain the material world, much like how modern science views the vibrations of strings in string theory. Ancient Indian texts, including the Upanishads and Vedic scriptures, describe prana, life energy, moving through nadis, energy channels, much like Rashmi rays. These texts provide a detailed account of how energy flows within the human body and the universe, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all things. Though Rashmi theory isn't widely recognized in modern science, it shares striking similarities with string theory's fundamental ideas. Both theories propose that the universe is composed of fundamental elements that vibrate and interact in complex ways. Let's see how. String theory, a leading candidate in the quest for a unified theory of everything, suggests that the fundamental particles we observe are actually tiny vibrating strings of energy. These strings can vibrate at different frequencies, giving rise to the various particles and forces in the universe. Similarly, Rashmi theory posits that the universe is woven from energy rays that vibrate and interact, creating the fabric of reality. This ancient perspective aligns with the modern scientific view that the universe is a dynamic, interconnected system of energy and matter. In addition to its cosmological implications, Rashmi theory also has profound spiritual and practical applications. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and energy healing are based on the understanding that by harmonizing with these energy rays, individuals can achieve greater health, balance, and enlightenment. While modern science continues to explore the mysteries of the universe through theories like string theory, the ancient wisdom of Rashmi theory offers a complementary perspective. By bridging the gap between ancient knowledge and modern science, we can gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental nature of reality. Now let's talk about string theory. String theory is one of the most fascinating and complex theories in modern physics. It proposes that the fundamental constituents of the universe are not point-like particles, but rather tiny vibrating strings of energy. These strings are incredibly small, on the order of the Planck length, which is about 10 circumflex 35 meters. To put that into perspective, if an atom were the size of the solar system, a string would be the size of a tree. Modern physics tells us that at the smallest level, everything is made of tiny vibrating strings of energy. These strings vibrate at different frequencies, and their vibrations give rise to the various particles and forces we observe in the universe. For example, a string vibrating in one way might appear as an electron, while a string vibrating in another way might appear as a quark or a photon. This idea is revolutionary because it suggests that all particles are manifestations of the same underlying entity. These strings can be open or closed loops, and their vibrations determine the nature of particles, whether they behave as electrons, quarks, or photons. Open strings have two endpoints, while closed strings form loops. The type of string and its mode of vibration dictate the properties of the particle it represents. This duality of open and closed strings adds another layer of complexity and beauty to the theory. String theory aims to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity, potentially explaining all fundamental forces of nature in one grand theory. This unification has been a long-standing goal in physics, as it could provide a deeper understanding of how the universe works at both the largest and smallest scales. By merging these two pillars of modern physics, string theory offers a framework that could explain phenomena that are currently beyond our reach. So how does this connect with Rashmi theory? While string theory provides a mathematical framework for understanding the universe, Rashmi theory might offer a different perspective or complementary insights. Exploring these connections could lead to new breakthroughs and a more comprehensive understanding of the cosmos. The journey to unify all forces and particles continues, and with each step, we get closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Both theories emphasize that the universe is fundamentally vibrational. Rashmi theory describes energy rays vibrating to form reality. String theory says that tiny strings vibrate to create different particles and forces. Could it be that ancient rishis intuitively understood what modern physics is just beginning to explore? While string theory is still theoretical, and Rashmi theory isn't widely accepted in mainstream science, both suggest a reality where vibration, energy, and interconnection form the essence of existence. Perhaps one day, science will prove what ancient wisdom has known all along. What do you think? Are Rashmi theory and string theory describing the same universal truth from different perspectives? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you love exploring the intersection of science, spirituality, and the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of existence.